How do you feel? You tired?
Very fulfilled, very tired.
Now cook me a whole meal shooting.
Yeah, we'll see.
The video you're about to see is my friend Shooting, who is from Guangdong, and she's cooking us dinner. If you haven't seen it yet, I have linked down below my 99 Ranch market experience. It was like my first time ever there, and I went there with Shooting right before I filmed this video. I actually lived in China for most of 2016, so if you are headed to China soon, if you need some tips, tricks, advice, whatever, packing list, moving checklist, I have everything linked down below. But first, on with the video.
See a lot on the American market is that it's very muddy. Yeah,
Okay.
see, it's a lot of mud.
Maybe like the American celery, they like pour hot water on it and stuff like that, like to
Really?
make it clean. Because if something's dirty, Americans are not gonna buy it.
Oh wow. But if it's hot water, then it's hard to actually keep the nutrition, and it will be cooked because we believe there's dirty blood and dirty stuff.
So you boil the meat before you like cook it in
Yeah.
any other way? Oh, I
But
didn't
not
know that.
with like very like things like stir fry. But if you want to make a stew or a soup, you do this because you don't want the funk. You
Okay.
don't want those dirty things.
Ooh, what are these? Triple
Those are
M
seaweed.
sticks.
You should try it.
Should I steal snacks from Aaron?
You should.
Sorry, Aaron. Oh, they're like tubes of seaweed.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't want the leaf, but maybe there are other parts.
This is really good. It's so spicy. It's so crunchy.
Wow. Very good.
It's your nose.
Yeah, it does.
The radish that we just got, dry radish and the egg. I'm gonna try to make an omelet. I'm just putting a little bit sake in the eggs, and I will also put like sometimes a little bit oil and salt to pre-season it, so it doesn't get too flavorless when you do it.
Okay, interesting. I'm just standing here in her kitchen and we're just chatting. She keeps tasting the things she's cooking and going, so salty. Can I try it?
Yeah, just have a bite. It's like so salty. I just got the radish from the market thinking, you know, this is like what my mom used and it will be fine, but it's so salty. Try this piece. And that's so salty.
It's salty, but like if you were to put it over rice, it wouldn't be that bad.
Okay, let's try again. Let's give it a little bit
She's
more.
being hard on herself.
Damn, this is salty.
Was it dried radish, onion, egg?
Oh, this radish, shy.
Passion fruit grown in Israel. Fancy.
They're very sweet.
It smells like brandy.
I honestly don't really like it super, like a lot.
Oh,
But
it's not as bad as it smells. It's like durian. It doesn't taste like durian. It is really sweet.
I'm just doing some sauteing with the satay sauce.
Okay.
It's a shrinky sauce with the beef. And then I'm gonna dump in the vegetable and just put it under pressure cook.
Yeah,
Or
instant
maybe-
pot.
Yeah. In the pressure cook mold for 10 minutes.
Smells so good.
Wow.
Is it very salty? Cilantro?
I love cilantro.
I love cilantro. It's so good.
We got mappa tofu over here looking real good.
Hopefully.
We got the good stuff right here. Sichuan peppercorn.
Yeah.
Grinding it up. Being courteous, not just throwing it in. That's kind of nice. Yellow chives. I feel like a lot of Chinese ingredients, like produce like that, I've probably eaten and had no idea what I was eating.
Yeah. It's like very important yellow chive to me.
What is this? Is it a beef stew?
With cabbage. With some sriracha sauce. I'm gonna put in some fish sauce.
It smells good.
Fish sauce has salt. It's very salty. Use it carefully. But it brings a very fresh and nice flavor to the soup.
Oh, that looks really good.
That's all you.
So lotus root and there's Chinese celery.
So good.
yeah, the
Oh,
celery is a
yeah.
little bit
Yeah, it's good, yeah.
old. Do you want the peanut out?
It's a little bit old.
Yeah.
Because they're
It's
truly.
fine.
Let's try it. Let's do this
This
one.
is your rice or is my rice?
Good.
Just mine. I'm Chinese.
Cheers!
Cheers.
Yeah, thanks for cooking. This is like a beautiful feast.
Really?
Go for it, man.
So Shooting's really interested in this. Will you tell them about what this is?
So
I
this
almost
is
swore. I'm so excited.
So this is called jizong you. Jizong is a kind of very rare mushroom that grows in Yunnan province. It's getting very hard to find this kind of mushroom oil. So you see the ingredient is basically this kind of mushroom and then the oil and then salt. Just now, because of the environmental change, it's hard to grow this mushroom, but it used to be like a staple. The family there, they will cook it with any stir fry.
It's crazy. I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you haven't already, go and watch my 99 Ranch Market video. I actually went there with Shooting right before we filmed this. And while I was there, I bought a bunch of snacks. So there's a snack taste test video coming to you next week. I cannot wait for you guys to see it. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys have a fantastic Memorial Day weekend. Comment below with what you're doing. I want to know, are you going camping? What are you doing? This weekend, we've decided to do, I'm very excited about this, nothing. I need this, okay? I'm taking a little break for a couple days and it's gonna be great. So I will see you next week. Okay, bye.